other than eat and shop.
Let's go! First on the list, say goodbye to all your stress with some cat therapy. The cats were really energetic and food motivated, and we had so much fun feeding them treats. There was a wide variety of breeds, and they were also way more active than we expected them to be. They looked really healthy and well taken care of by the friendly staff as well. Next, put your creative juices to the test and join a Pendulum Art workshop. We had heard many good reviews about this place, so we were super excited to try it out for ourselves. Big shout out to our instructor who was so patient in guiding us during our 1-hour session. We were given full creative freedom and plenty of resources to design our masterpieces, and I love how we could be as innovative as we wanted. But for all you sunset chasers out there, you definitely can't miss the stunning views at Danga Bay Beach. We were the only ones there when we visited, and it felt like our own private paradise. And guess what? We were even lucky enough to catch some beautiful pink hues in the sky. Play to your heart's content at Eurofun Park, the biggest travelling fair in Malaysia. This place is definitely not just for young kids. It's a full-on adrenaline rush for anyone craving a good time.
I thought I would get it, but I wasn't even close.
Pro tip, bring Chuck here and then try again.
It's a scare.
What he say?
From stomach-dropping roller coasters to dizzying spins, the rides literally got us screaming our lungs out. But if you're feeling a little bit cheeky, venture into a Thai disco. Disclaimer, we were conducting professional research solely for work purposes, not because we wanted an excuse to visit a Siam, okay? I think it's safe to say that some of us definitely had a culture shock. Singers and dancers went up on stage to perform for the crowd, and the music was super adrenaline pumping. One of the ladies came to our table to play games with us, and she really made our night with her friendly and fun-loving nature. If you're looking for unique and affordable accommodations to rest for the night, experience sleeping in a futuristic-looking capsule.
What I like about this place is the lighting. You can actually adjust the color, and the USB port for you to charge your phone. Oh, and there's even a secret scene. It's designed to look like a space shuttle. Yeah, and it's like really cool because I get to experience an astronaut life.
And last but not least, try indoor drift karting. The karts are specially designed to drift smoothly around tight corners of the circuit. We really loved the cyberpunk aesthetic of the place, especially the neon LED lights. It was definitely one hell of a ride.
And that marks the end of our JV trip.
I didn't know you could do that many things here.
If you like our video, comment down below.
That's all for this video. See you in the next one.
Bye!